Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and I am so excited to go through the overview today of the Alien Romulus Stompers. This is on the Reebok BB 4002 mid. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today, I am so excited to talk about one of the sneakers that made my top 10 list for 2024. I feel like Reebok has just been killing the game when it comes with these collaborations that are associated with films. This one specifically being associated with the newest Alien film, Alien Romulus. If you haven't seen it yet, definitely go and check it out. It is so good. But these are on the BB 4002 mid silhouette, and they're known as the Alien Romulus Stompers. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled these, and then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. My goodness, I've been obsessed with Alien since I was a child. I've pretty much gone to every single film that I could as a child growing up. I was really excited to actually get to premiere this film early and actually started a little mini collection, I feel like, of face huggers at one point, but they've all been given to different family and friends to hang on to. But Alien Romulus was so good, and they really nailed this collaboration. As far as the look and feel, this sneaker was actually worn in the movie, so it's the exact one. And as far as the look and feel of this, they really aged this out. So it looks like this has just been through it with the scuff marks and the discoloration going on here. We've got some discoloration even on the detailing of these red laces. So it looks like this sneaker honestly comes from the 80s originally. As far as the two straps go, it's in this Bordeaux red color scheme. And then when I open this, so you can kind of see the tongue, maybe that's even a little too hard. You've got the Weyland-Yutani logo there, which is a perfect match in red, white, and black. And then we've got Reebok on top of that. And then I just want to talk about the box before we move to the side paneling. I mean, they really nailed it with this box. I think the only thing that maybe would have looked cooler if it was actually in the shape of an egg, but this literally looks like it came directly from Alien Romulus's film. When I unboxed the packaging of this, I was absolutely blown away from the box to the look and feel of the sneaker itself, but really just a great job. Let me just show you all sides of it here. It's like I actually own my own Alien. Let me open it up, just kind of get the look and feel of the interior of it. But this may be one of the coolest boxes and packages I've ever seen on a sneaker. All right, so let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. Right, wrapping around to the side paneling again, we've got that really cool just scuff mark throughout with some red textures and hues, the same logo on the back there, and then Reebok's logo on the lateral side of the sneaker. And then the interior just says Reebok in red, and then we've got just some nice gray hues on the interior as well. And then when we work our way down to the midsole, more scuff marks. Again, this sneaker looks like I really already lived in it, which is great. Don't have to worry about getting this one dirty because, well, it's already been pre-dirtied for me. Even the bottom has as well, with some nice scuff marks on the bottom, but the outsole is in a just simple red color scheme. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I stuck true to size on this one. So I'm a 7.5 in men's, and these fit me perfectly. One of the things I love about this specific silhouette is it really makes your feet look smaller. So if you're somebody who has larger feet, but you hate the way that they look and you want them to look smaller, definitely try this silhouette out. The BB 4011 mid is just one of those sneakers where, I don't know what it does, it just makes your foot look slim and tiny. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled this really cool aged effect sneaker. For the first look, I decided to wear just a simple gray hoodie, which I layered a denim top and did a nice tie on top of that to match the red hues in this. And then I wore just some simple khaki pants and then a rhinestone, nice Yankee navy blue hat to give it some nice detail and accents. Then for the second look, I decided to wear some denim pants with a gray turtleneck, and over that I layered it with this nice just cream and red toned crew neck. For the last and final look, decided to go with a denim set in all red, which also had kind of an aged effect to it for a more casual feel. All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed for $170. They're currently going around retail right now to $200. So if you are unable to snag a pair, I honestly had some issues getting these. They told me that they were all sold out after I had secured a confirmation email. So I was really bummed, but then they restocked these. So I was really excited that they restocked in my size. But if you are a huge Alien fan and you want something that actually was worn in Alien Romulus, you have to get a pair of these. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next episode.